We tend to think aggressively blasting our skin with lather and water equals better hygiene, but washing more frequently rarely results in healthier skin. The issue stems from the chemical composition of the products we use. Standard lye-based soaps are highly alkaline, pH 10 to 14, which clashes with the design acidic environment, pH 4.5 to 5.5, required for healthy skin function. This microscopic cross-section illustrates the interaction. Lye molecules act as harsh detergents, actively disrupting the continuous lipid layer known as the acid mantle, your skin's primary defense against moisture loss and environmental stress. The common daily shower effectively trades temporary surface cleanliness for long-term barrier instability. There is also a secondary, nearly invisible threat present every time you step into a standard shower, untreated tap water. A breakdown chart identifies the chemical markers inside a typical tap water droplet. Alongside the H2O, you will find significant concentrations of contaminants, specifically chlorine and trace heavy metals. When you apply high-value herbal treatments in this wet environment, the active nutrients are often carried away down the drain before they have the chance to penetrate the epidermis. If your routine requires mixing any water with your treatments, it is best to use reverse osmosis or highly filtered drinking water. This prevents municipal chemicals from being introduced directly into the herbal delivery system. A wet shower-based routine creates a wasteful environment that can neutralize active ingredients and prevent effective skin nourishment. To maximize the efficacy of botanicals, we must adopt a different approach, applying treatments to completely dry skin. Immediately after a bath or shower, your tissue enters a waterlogged state. The upper layers of the epidermis swell significantly with trapped moisture. In waterlogged skin, pores are completely saturated with water molecules, creating a physical roadblock against new topical particles. Waiting 90 minutes allows trapped water to evaporate, clearing pores and reopening pathways to the dermis. This precise timing removes the physical barrier to absorption, shifting the skin from a swollen state to a highly receptive membrane. Once the skin is receptive, we can introduce a specialized delivery system, the natural compressed herbal cream bar. Instead of relying on complete water saturation, this system uses a foundational lipid base of coconut oil and palm kernel activated by lathering with a small amount of water. These lipid molecules interlock with dry skin, establishing a stable delivery pathway. Through it, Andrographis paniculata travels deep to support tissue health. Nangsang helps to rejuvenate nerve endings, and Curcuma aromatica nourishes and helps rebuild and strengthen the dermal layers. Rice milk nourishes, moisturizes, and seals the surface. Leveraging lipid compatibility with dry skin receptivity ensures these specific botanicals reach the depths of the epidermis where they can function most effectively. For the best results, the timing of this application should align with the body's engineered circadian rhythms. During overnight sleep phases, skin shifts its energy from environmental protection to internal recovery. The mechanics of cellular replication and physiological repair peak at night. This is when the body focuses on regenerating damaged tissue and building new cells. Applying the herbal bar before bed allows the treatment to stay on the skin for hours, fueling this restorative window with a steady supply of nutrients while you sleep. This transforms passive sleep into a period of optimized biological regeneration. For a busy morning schedule, apply the cream bar 15 minutes before showering for a quick nutrient infusion. Combining a short morning application with a deep overnight treatment creates a consistent cycle of care. This timeline illustrates a state of continuous nourishment where nutrient levels remain steady during the day and rise significantly during the nocturnal repair phase. Consistency over a 28-day period allows these nutrients to support a full cycle of cellular turnover and barrier reinforcement. By aligning biochemical delivery with the body's designed rhythms, you provide the environment necessary for a compromised barrier to return to a healthy, functional state. We're building a community of like-minded individuals who love nature and healthy living. Click like and subscribe. It's free and it only takes a second, and by supporting us helps us to create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to turn notifications on.